Hello my friends, I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is paradox of desire and desirelessness. In the absence of all your desires, your hidden desires can be manifested very spontaneously and effortlessly. It seems to be paradox, but this is the technology of consciousness, physics of consciousness. I am giving you an example. Most of us in our life experienced a state of nothingness, a state of complete desirelessness, emptiness, peacefulness, and stillness. In that state of desirelessness and emptiness, something with a lightning speed came in our mind and within a fraction of second fled away from our mental screen. Then that something happened, manifested in our life within a week, within a day, or within a month. What happened? In that state of stillness, peacefulness, and desirelessness, by default your mind connected to the field of transcendental consciousness, and this field manifested your desire, hidden desires, spontaneously and effortlessly. This is the science of the field of transcendental. You unknowingly, by default, did this thing once in a life. But if you learn the technology of transcendental consciousness, then your life will be phenomenal, full of wow factor. Get in touch with us for our forthcoming seminars and workshops, and subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get all my videos. Namaste.